Okay, and for second place for Rising Star All-Star category, they won a tie for second place. Luna from Thai Qinghai with 388 points.
And the second person in Thai for second place is Cheyenne from Go Lo Yi with a point of 388.
And our first place winner for All-Star category, Angel from Thai Qinghai with 389 points. Each of them in the All-Star category, they were judged individually. Okay, the Rising Star category for Hmong category. Third place winner for the Hmong category for Rising Star, Go Lo Yi with 475 points.
And in second place for our Hmong routine, Thai Qinghai with a score of 478 points.
And each of these, we have another tie for first place for Hmong category, Hmong routine. Sharing first place, Serene Sons.
And also in tie for first place for our Hmong routine is Obsidian Onyx with a score of 480 points.
Okay, so we have a called open category or the open routine for Rising Star. In third place, Young Go Lo Yi with 408 points for the open routine.
And in second place for open routine, Serene Sons with a score of 409 points.
And our first place winner, the LTE for open routine, Obsidian Onyx with 412 points.
All right. And then Suanzi Muna Bekumwa Pro Awards. And this is called the All Stars. So all right. Sorry about that. overall rewards. So this is the grand champion.
把成績咯，我到鐵杯 for Rising Star Grand Champion，楊高劉基 with 883 points for third place.
And for grand champion, second place is Serene Sun with a score of 889 points.
And in first place, with a top score of 892 points, made the grand champion, Obsidian Onyx, winning first place for the Rising Star category. Okay, that is all a bit of results for the Rising Star 呢。我讲到的那12的那种把真的被的都精彩，这个是对的。Can we all get a picture in the front?